Chicago private and hard money options. If you need a quote, go to www.windycityfundinggroup.com or call the numbers on your screen. Today we're just going to talk about the funding options we have. So first, I'll tell you where we don't fund. So we serve all of Illinois. Most of our business is in the Chicagoland metro area. We'll definitely do stuff downstate. We'll definitely do rural. If a deal is rural, though, our leverage may change on the deal, but we'll definitely do it. Our short-term debt fix and flip products are pretty competitive. We can defer interest payments and points till the sale or refinance of the loan. We can close a loan in 10 days or less without an appraisal. And our leverage is as high as 95% loan to cost. And for experienced investors, we do have 100% financing programs. When you send a deal in, if you qualify for that, you'll be presented that offer. Long-term private capital, we've got 30-year fixed programs, 5, 7, 10-year fixed interest-only programs, great cash flow programs for a volatile mortgage market. And those loans are also 30-year interest-only, but they adjust after the fixed interest-only period. Those are debt service coverage ratio loans, meaning we take into account the mortgage payment, the rental income, and your expenses, taxes, insurance, etc. I can do Airbnb. We can do Verbo. We can use established income to establish that debt service ratio, or we can use AirDNA projections. In the future, we just kind of take a step down and we'll do 80 to 90% of those numbers. So it's best to be in a really good market or already have income. We can do cash out up to 80%. However, if you do have that higher leverage, you must debt service. And purchases up to 90% of the purchase price. That's right. On a long-term loan, 90% of the purchase price also has to debt service. And we do have options to use gift funds if you want to. You can talk with me more about that. Bridge debt, short-term debt. However, you've probably heard it called a bunch of different things. Generally 75 to 8%. If this is a scenario where the asset is fine and it doesn't need rehab, but it needs stabilization in terms of its income, acquired under a bridge loan, get the numbers where you need them to be, and then refinance into a long-term product at a good rate and term. So if you like what you heard, or you didn't like what you heard, you can still call us. You can still submit a scenario. We'll take a look at it. The number's on the screen, www.windycityfundinggroup.com. We love Chicago. We'll do your Chicago deals. And you can call or text at 347-696-0192. See ya.